Zephyr, please keep in mind, folks, there's only 2 per row, 1 person per seatbelt. Absolutely no lap sitting, and make sure your smaller flyer enters the rocket first, sitting on the right-hand side, away from the opening.
Just a reminder, 2 per row, 1 and let's boss up. Enjoy your flight.
It's gonna be like taking your head out of a car window. Bro, she's gonna be like taking your head out of a car window. It does feel weird.
Welcome to the Golden Zephyr. Just a reminder, we do only sit 2 per row, 1 per seatbelt. There is no lap sitting. The smallest flyer must be seated to your right, away from the rocket's opening. Your rockets are still in motion. Please remain seated. I will let you know when it is safe to exit. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Push on the red number gates, board your rocket. See red number gate, push it open, board your rockets. Red number gate, push it open, board your rockets. It's a lock. Just a reminder, 2 per row, 1 per seatbelt. There is no lap sitting. And the smaller flyer must be seated to your right, away from the rocket's opening.
Oh, there you are. Yeah, look at these guys.